Introduction and GWP Concept. The refrigerant gas market in Spain and Europe is undergoing a major transformation. Starting in 2025, the updated F-gas regulation will impose stricter limits to curb greenhouse gas emissions. This impacts installers, maintenance firms, distributors, and HVAC equipment owners. A key metric is GWP, global warming potential, a measure of how much a gas contributes to global warming compared to CO2. CO2 GWP1. R404 a GWP 3922. R410 a GWP 2088. The higher the GWP, the more climate damaging the gas. That's why Spain and the EU are phasing out high GWP refrigerants. Regulatory shifts and market impact. From 2025, many traditional refrigerants will be banned in new systems. The EU will also cut HFC quotas, driving up prices and limiting availability. Older systems can only be serviced with recovered or reclaimed gases. This shift is accelerating demand for low GWP alternatives, including R1234YF, CO2, R744, R290, propane, HFO blends. Prices for legacy gases like R449A, R410A, and R134A are rising. Spanish distributors are updating their catalogs to offer more sustainable options. F-gas certification and business opportunities. In Spain, any technician handling refrigerants must hold an F-gas certificate. This covers installation, maintenance, recovery, refilling, and leak detection. Owners, sales staff, and supervised trainees are exempt. Certification requires a theoretical exam on environmental law, a practical exam covering gas recovery, vacuuming, refilling, and leak detection. Issuance by an authorized body. This opens new opportunities for companies. Solutions using low GWP gases. CO2 and HFO-based technologies. Specialized training programs. Recovery and regeneration services. Industrial strategy and final thoughts. In industrial and logistics environments, refrigerants are critical for avoiding losses and maintaining the cold chain. That's why companies are forming long-term partnerships with specialized suppliers. A stable supplier relationship enables consumption planning, reliable supply, regulatory compliance, technical support. Refrigerants must be certified, compatible with modern systems, and available in bulk. Leading suppliers offer tailored solutions, flexible delivery, and expert guidance. Choosing the right supplier is a strategic decision, not just about price. It enhances efficiency, reduces risk, and ensures operational continuity. Thank you for joining me in this technical walkthrough. If you found this content useful, I invite you to support this project with a like and follow the page so you don't miss upcoming analyses, tools, and professional guides for the refrigeration sector. Your interaction helps more installers access high-quality technical information. And remember, you can find additional resources, calculators, and specialized documentation on our official website, systcold.com. Thank you again for your time. See you in the next video.